Hi everyone, welcome back our YouTube channel. Today this video will be amazing. Today I will show you how you can improve your iPhone battery after latest update iOS 17. There are many other users facing this problem, iPhone battery drain fast. Now guys, I will get a battery result after update on my iPhone. In this video I will give you some solution you are just applying on your iPhone and you will easily improve your iPhone battery in latest update iOS 17 developer beta 2. Now guys, my iPhone is already up to date, so let's start without wasting any time to improve your iPhone battery. Now where solution number 1 is remove unnecessary widgets from your home screen. Now there are many other user using widgets and home screen, so one by one you can remove all widgets from your iPhone because widgets killer for your iPhone battery. And after you can remove to the next solution is turn off location service. Now guys, open the setting, iPhone, go to privacy. Here is location service, simply turn off. I have already location service is turned off. This one Google location service will be disabled for all apps, but your personalized education service settings for app will be temporarily restored. If you will find my iPhone to enable last mode, so and back end your old app using your battery. That is where you just turn off location service from your iPhone. Now the next solution is use low power mode on your iPhone. Go to the setting and setting page. Here is battery, then click on battery. Simply go here and you will get low power mode and turn it on. This one toggle low power mode temporary reduced background activity like downloads and middle flags until you can fully charge your iPhone. Now guys, once you can do this, move to next solution. Next solution is turn off optimize charging. So what you need to do, simply again go to iPhone setting. In setting you just tap on battery, scroll up, then option battery, then click on battery health, then battery charging, run it on this one tomorrow. Charging optimize, then click, he will turn off until tomorrow. To reduce, well again iPhone lens from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80 until you need to use it. Now guys, once you can do this, the next solution, turn on auto brightness. So what you need to do, simply go to setting, and setting tab, then click on accessibility. So here is a accessibility, so I hit tap on display and text size and you will get on scroll up the brightness turn off. Auto brightness may affect battery life and long term display performance. That is the reason you just turn on. Okay, and then one terminal, and after you can do this guys, the last solution is disable background refresh. So again open the setting in your iPhone, and iPhone go to the channels. Here is the background app refresh. Go to the general and scroll up, then background and refresh, then click is off. Okay, and he is already off, so you will get this option. If background or refresh, simply turn off from here. Now guys, once you can applying these all solution on your iPhone, you will easily save your iPhone battery. You will easily improve iPhone battery timing. Hopefully this video is very helpful for you. If you have any problems or fix, please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.